In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add next pages on Microsoft Forms for 2025. Whether you're creating a survey, quiz, or any form that requires a structured layout with multiple pages, this guide will walk you through the entire process. So let's dive right in. First, let's get started by opening your form. Head over to forms.office.com, and if you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, you can select an existing form or create a new one where you want to incorporate multiple pages. Now, to add a new section, which essentially functions as a page break, navigate to the form editing screen. Scroll down to the spot where you'd like your new page to begin. You'll notice an Add New button prominently displayed on the screen. Click on that, and from the drop-down, select Section. This action creates a new page or section within your form where you can then customize it to suit your needs. Each section you create can have its own title, description, and specific questions that will only be visible within that section. For instance, you might have a section titled Page 2, Feedback on Services, and under that title you can add relevant instructions or details for respondents. Each section operates independently, which makes organizing your form quite efficient. Once the section is set up, respondents will see a Next button at the bottom of each section, allowing them to continue seamlessly to the next page. If your form requires even more pages, you can easily add them by repeating the process of selecting Add New and then Section. Remember, each section equates to one page in the form. You can even reorder these sections using the move up or move down arrows to ensure the content flows logically. For those who wish to create a more dynamic user experience, consider using the branching feature. This allows users to skip certain pages based on their given answers. To do this, click on the More Options menu represented by 3 dots next to a question and select Add Branching. Here you decide what happens after each answer, such as moving to a specific section or skipping to the end. This feature transforms your form into a dynamic, personalized experience tailored to the respondent's inputs. Finally, it's crucial to view your form from the respondent's perspective. Click on the Preview button located at the top right of the screen. Walk through your form as if you were a user and you'll see the next and back buttons available for navigation across sections. This step allows you to ensure everything looks and functions as intended before you share it. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough for adding pages to your Microsoft Forms. With these steps, you'll be able to enhance the structure and flow of your form, making it more organized and user-friendly. Thanks for watching and happy form creating!